People often ask me, what's the right age to give a child a phone? But the real question is this: have you prepared your child for a phone? Today, I'll share steps you must take before you give your child a phone. Stay with me till the end, because the last step is the one that parents completely overlook. Before handing over a phone to a child, sit down with the child and set clear rules. Talk about when they can use the phone, where they can use the phone, and what's acceptable to share online. Phones come with responsibilities, and if you don't have these conversations, you end up with endless arguments later. Next, set up parental controls. On iPhone, you can use screen time. On Android, you can use Google Family Link. And on Amazon Fire Tablet, you can use Amazon Parent Dashboard. These free tools let you manage screen time, block unsafe websites, and approve apps. Think of it like training wheels, guiding your child until they're ready to manage their online safety themselves. Teach your child basic online privacy. They should know that they should never share their full name, school details, home address publicly. They should think before they post photos and ask before downloading new apps. Kids don't always understand the risks, so you need to give them simple, repeatable rules. Finally, the steps most parents forget. Stay involved. Giving a child a phone isn't a one-time handover. It's an ongoing conversation. So check in regularly. Ask what apps they use, who they're chatting with, and what they enjoy online. When kids know that you're interested and approachable, they're more likely to tell you when something goes wrong. So remember, before you give your child a phone, set expectations, enable parental controls, teach basic privacy, and stay involved. Parents, at what age did you give your child their first phone? Drop a comment and let's talk about it. If this video has helped you, please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.